OpenAI just dropped something that has half of Silicon Valley panicking, another half celebrating. In under 8 minutes, an engineer built a fully functional AI agent live on stage. No coding, just drag, drop, done. This could replace dozens of expensive tools you are using right now. Welcome back, nerds. Who am I? I'm a tech nerd just like you. This is my brand new channel where I share all my research about automations and AI tools to save your time in this tech noisy world. So hit that subscribe and like button. Here's today's game plan. What is AgentKit and why it matters? Build your first agent step by step. Real world use cases you can use today. I spent 2 weeks testing this, reading Reddit discussions, analyzing everything, and honestly, this changes everything. Okay, so what is AgentKit? Think of it like this. Remember when ChatGPT could only answer questions? AgentKit is what happens when ChatGPT gets hands, eyes, and work ethic. OpenAI launched AgentKits as a complete set of tools that lets developers build, deploy, and optimize AI agents that can actually do things, not just respond with text. But let me break down what this actually means for regular people. What AgentKit actually does. It's like giving ChatGPT the ability to click buttons, browse websites, and chain multiple tasks together. It was announced at OpenAI's Dev Day in San Francisco, potentially competing with platforms like Zapier. Instead of juggling 5 different tools, everything happens in one place. Well, here are the 3 core components you need to understand. Agent Builder. This is a game changer. It's a visual canvas where you drag and drop nodes to create multi-agent workflows with full versioning and guardrails. Imagine building a complex automation by drawing boxes and connecting them with arrows. That's it. ChatKit. A toolkit for embedding customizable chat-based agent experience directly into your product. You build the agent, ChatKit makes it look professional and embeds it anywhere. Third one, connector registry. A central place for admins to manage how data and tools connect across OpenAI's products, including pre-built connectors for Dropbox, Google Drive, SharePoint, and Microsoft Teams. Here's the wild part. Companies like Ramp built a procurement agent in just a few hours instead of months, slashing iterating cycles by 70%. But why should you care? Let me show you the real-world impact. Klarna built a support agent that handles 2/3 of all their customer tickets. Think about that. A company famous for customer service automated 66% of their support with AgentKit. Clay increased growth 10x with a sales agent built on this platform. Elway Corporation, a leading Japanese tech company, built a complete work assistant agent in less than 2 hours. Before AgentKit, building an AI agent meant complex orchestration with no version control, creating custom connectors from scratch, manual evaluation pipelines, weeks of front-end development, prompt tuning, and felt like trial and error. AgentKit eliminates all of this by providing visual workflow, design embedded agentic UIs, and integrated evaluation tools. According to Gartner, 33% of enterprise softwares will include agentic AI by 2028, up from less than 1% in 2024. We are at the beginning of massive shift, and here's what controversial. Some developers view AgentKit not as a Zapier killer, but as complementary tool. But now I am not sure when you see what this can do. It's hard to imagine paying for 10 different automation tools. And hey, if you are finding this valuable so far, do me a favor, smash that like button. It really helps the algorithm push this to more tech nerds like us. Alright, let's get technical, but I promise to keep this practical. Agent Builder works like Canva for AI agents. You have a blank canvas with different types of nodes. Node types you need to know. Start node. This is your entry point. It defines inputs to workflow and can store persistent variables accessible throughout the entire workflow. Agent nodes. These are your AI workers. Each agent can have its own instructions, tools, and personality. You can have multiple agents in one workflow. Guardrail nodes. And I think this one is so important. An open source safety layer that helps protect agents against untainted or miscellaneous behavior, including detecting jailbreaks and ensuring to personality undefinable information leaks. Model context protocol node. This connects your agent to external tools. Want your agent to search YouTube, read emails, query database, MCP nodes make it happen. Condition nodes. These add logic. User ask about pricing, route to agent A. If they ask about support, route to agent B. Here is how it actually flows. User input comes in through the start node, goes through input evaluation, guardrails. It's your first agent which processes the request. Agent can call tools, web search, file search, code interpreter. Results flow to the next agent or directly to output. Everything is versioned agent automatically. You can start with a blank canvas or use pre-built templates for common use cases. Customer support, research agent, data analyst, they're probably a template. Before deploying anything, you can preview the entire workflow. Watch your agent think step by step, see which tools it's calling, and debug any issue in real time. And here's the part everyone misses. You can export your entire workflow as a TypeScript Python code powered by OpenAI's Agent SDK. Start visual, switch to code when you need custom behavior. Here is the crazy part. This is where it gets wild. ChatGPT can literally do everything now. I think in the near future, they can replace this headache too. Like, just imagine you prompt it in natural language. Build me an XYZ agent that does ABC. And in a matter of seconds, it creates the entire workflow for you. We are living in the future. Okay, time to build something. I'm going to walk you through creating a practical agent right now. Let's build a smart content research agent. Step 1. Go to platform OpenAI. Obviously, log in with your OpenAI credentials. Designing and building is completely free. You only pay when you actually run your agent and it uses OpenAI models. Step 2. Click plus create to get a blank canvas. You will see a start node automatically. Define your input user query. This is what people will ask. Step 3. Drag a guardrail node into the canvas. Connect start to guardrail. Configure it to check for inappropriate content. PII, personally identifiable information, prompt injection attempts. Step 4. Drag an agent node onto canvas. Name it research agent. Like, you can do whatever you want. Write instructions. You are a research assistant. Take user query and find comprehensive, accurate information. Use web research when needed. Enable tools, web research, file research, set output format, structured JSON with sources. Step 5. Drag another agent node. Connect research agent to summary agent. Instructions. Take research findings and create a concise, actionable summary for the user. Output format, plain text, conversational. Step 6. Click preview at the top. Type a test query. What are the latest developments in AI agents? Watch the magic happen. Input validated research. Agent researches the web, finds multiple sources. Summary agent creates reasonable output. Insane. Step 7. Click publish. Get your workflow ID. Now you can embed this anywhere using ChatGPT. Total time about 7 minutes for a production ready agent. During OpenAI's Dev Day, an engineer built an entire AI workflow, 2 AI agents live on stage in under 8 minutes. You can do the same. But wait, we have only scratched the surface. Here are the advanced features that separate beginners from power users. Evolution tools. AgentKit include datasets, trace grading, automated prompt optimization, and third-party model support to measure and improve agent performance. What this means practically, you can test your agent on hundreds of scenarios automatically. See exactly where it fails. OpenAI will automatically suggest better prompts. Compare different model performances. Second, the Agent SDK. The Agent SDK is production-ready, lightweight package with very few abstractions, including primitive like agents equipped with instructions and tools. Handoff for delegation, guardrails for validation, sessions for automatic conversation history. Code-first developers can skip the visual builder entirely and work in Python, Node.js, or Go. 3. MCP Never Server Integration. This is huge. Agent Builder supports hosted MCP servers, letting your agent across data in third-party services like Slack, Gmail, Google Sheets, and more. The ecosystem is growing fast. Hundreds of MCP servers are being built right now. 4. ChatGPT customization. ChatGPT Studio includes a playground to explore customization options, a widget builder, and sample apps for inspiration. You can match your brand exactly. 5. And the last one, your agent get access to web research with up-to-date and clearly cited answers from the internet. File research to retrieve relevant knowledge for internal documents. Image creation for natural language. Python code interpreter that runs code easily. Computer using agents that complete browser-related tasks. So how does this lag up against other tools? Let's be honest about it. Look at this poll from the developer community, 91 votes total. AgentKit is equal to 40 votes. NA10, which is so much famous and you know about it, 51 votes. Okay, let's categorize it. Choose OpenAI AgentKit when you prioritize rapid development with minimal technical complexity, polished user-facing chat interference, comprehensive agent evaluation and testing, staying within the OpenAI ecosystem. Choose NA10 when you prioritize flexibility across multiple all AI providers, complex workflows automation beyond simple chat, host control through self-hosting, complete data infrastructure control. What if? AgentKit versus Zapier versus Make versus NA10. NA10 excels at structure, event-driven automation. Something happens, something else follows. AgentKit focuses on building intelligent systems that can think through problems, solve tools, and learn from mistakes. Think of it this way. Zapier and NA10 is equal to automation if this, then than that. AgentKit is equal to intelligence. Figure out what to do. Well, OpenAI entered a race that was actually already happening. Google launched its agent development kit in April 2025 and Microsoft its agent framework with AutoGen. Agent kit advantages: tighter integration with ChatGPT, 800 million weekly users, visual interference, better evaluation tools, stronger ecosystem momentum. Okay, some are limitations here, be honest. Some developers know that while agent kit simplifies agent building, it doesn't mean everyone can now build production ready agents. You still need understanding of AI behavior, ability to write good prompts, knowledge of your use case, testing and iteration mindset. I think the last one is so important, testing and iteration mindset. Okay, pricing reality. Here's the truth about costs. It's actually pretty fair. What's free? Designing in Agent Builder is completely free. You can build, iterate, and preview workflows without paying anything. ChatKit has a 1 GB monthly free usage storage tier. What you pay for? You can pay when your agent runs and uses OpenAI models. Standard API token rates apply. Tool usage costs extra. Code interpreter costs $0.03 per session. File search costs $0.10 per GB per day. Billing for all full AgentKit stacks started November 1, 2025. The bottom line here, designed for free, pay only when you use it. No platform fees, no subscription, just usage-based pricing. Let me give you 5 use cases you can build this week. Customer support agent, research assistant, sales qualification bot, content creation pipeline, internal operation agent. The pattern, anything repetitive, knowledge-based, or requiring multiple steps is a perfect fit. Look, we are at a turning point. By 2028, 1/3 of all enterprise softwares will have AI. The question isn't you use this technology, it's when you'll start. Here's my challenge to you. Build one agent this week, just one. Share what you build in the comments. I'm reading every single one. Here are the resources that I'm leaving in the description. And listen, if this video helped you understand AgentKit, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It genuinely helps more tech nerds discover this content. Subscribe and hit that bell because I'm tracking this space obsessively. I'll be breaking down every major AI development automation tool. Remember, in this tech noisy world, I'm here to save you time and cut through the BS. Agent revolution isn't coming, it's already here. The only question is, are you building or watching others build? Welcome to the future, nerds. See you in the next one.